What is good, YouTube? Back again with another review video for another Walmart product. So far I haven't been let down, so hopefully this one doesn't. This is the 1.5 gallon wet dry vac. So honestly, I bought this for my car because I'm sick of paying for car washes just to vacuum when I really don't need to wash the rest of the car. This was $29.99. It was the last one they had. This is the cheapest shop vac they have at Walmart. And it's, you know, get the specs for you guys. Where's the specs at? Okay, so 1.5 gallon, 2 horse, 6 foot cord, and it flows 60 CFM and it weighs almost 4 pounds. So just open the box. First thing you see is the manual. Here's the vacuum. Come out. What is this? Okay, so this is one of the attachments. It's like a little brush style one. Cord. Boom, there it is. Honestly, it's super lightweight. And looks like that's it. I'm guessing everything else is in the underside of this. Oh yeah, there we go. So here's the hose. I don't know if this is supposed to be 6 foot or what. This is what really sold it to me. You know, the stuff that's in between the seats and stuff. Yeah. I think this is the wet filter. And this is the dry one. And then this is a wall mount. I'm not going to be mounting it. Screws for the wall mount. And yeah, I think it's pretty much ready to go. And this is the blow side, I'm assuming. But yeah, let's see. My car's kind of dirty right now. It's rainy season here in Florida. So I got a bunch of stuff off my shoe. So let's put this thing together, if I can, with one hand. See how easy it is. Okay, it's locked in. And I think this thicker side goes in this way. Yep, just like that. And yeah, I'm gonna run an extension cord outside and fire this thing up and see how good it does. Okay, so I got her all rigged up. Here's the first start. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and assume you guys can't hear me. This thing's pretty loud. The suction's pretty good. It honestly sounds a lot stronger than what it is. Let me take it into the car and let's see how good it does. Actually, let's try this mat first. It's pretty dirty, as you can see. I'm gonna fire it up. You probably won't hear anything else I say, so let's see how it does. I gotta say, that is pretty good. You guys seen it here. I didn't cut or anything. I didn't shake it off. It honestly cleaned it pretty good, and it's only been like 20 seconds of cleaning. I didn't even go that hard on it. So let's try the rest of the car. Okay, so here's the mat on the other side. You know, visibly dirty under the seats. You know, little stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I'm honestly impressed. That is pretty good. I can't see any more of the dirt, even though granted it's not that dirty. Let's try this little crack right here, this crevice. But still, for what it is, like, I think this is probably the best $30 I spent. Honestly, it adds up. You think about how many times you go to the car wash and, you know, you spend almost $10 a visit. And this was $30, $29.99 from Walmart. You know, anybody can go get it. Yeah, look at that. It looks pretty good. Even this mat, I didn't even really go too hard on it. So let's try the other attachment and see how it does down here. As you can see, I do drop, it's pretty dirty down here. I don't drop food or anything, but it could definitely get vacuumed up. So let's try the other attachment. Okay, second attachment's on. Let's fire this sucker up and see what it does. Okay, so this is the side that really needs it. Let's see how it performs here. It's pretty dirty. This is all from like getting in and out of the car like 2 times. It's wet, it's rainy here. Everything sticks to the shoes. So yeah, let's get to it. Not bad. Not bad at all. I didn't have to fight all the dirt for it to get up off the carpet. Not bad, dude. I'm honestly impressed. Look at this. I did a pretty good job. Obviously, it's not perfect. I'm recording in one hand and vacuuming in the other. So if I give this like my all, like full 2-hand focus, obviously I would do a better job. But this is just for demonstration purposes. I really didn't have to scrub it for it to pick up the dirt. Like I was saying, the vacuum has pretty good suction. Like it has decent power. Yeah, let's put the other attachment on and see how it does in these crevices and hard to reach spots like this. Like, you know, you would never reach with like a normal head like this. So I'm gonna switch that and we'll try that out. Okay, so I got this other attachment on. Let's try out these little cracks right here. See all that dirt piled up in there? And then of course right here, the hard to reach spots that you would normally couldn't get with a vacuum head. So let's crank her up and see what it does. I gotta say, I feel like I got my money's worth out of it, you know, for what I need it for at least. It is a wet and dry vac. I'm probably not gonna use it for wet activities. Pretty much just to vacuum my car out. So I saved the money in washing my car, because I live in Florida. It rains so much that it's almost pointless to wash your car. This did an amazing job, and for $30, you know, whatever, if you break it, it's 30 bucks. So yeah, I recommend it. Go buy it, vacuum your cars. I'm out.